Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you how you can leave Discord servers, how you can delete your own Discord server, and how you can actually transfer the ownership of your own Discord server because you don't want it anymore. So let's get right into it. Let's go over how to leave Discords on desktop and on mobile. So just click on any Discord you want to leave. Let's go here. Just choose that, then click on this top bar to see all these settings, and now you'll see right here, leave server. You just click on that and then you'll leave the server. You'll have to hit OK that you want to leave the server, and then you'll have left the server and the server won't show up here anymore. It's basically the same on your phone. Just go into the app, select the Discord server you want to delete, then click on the top bar again, and then scroll down a bit till you find the leave server. So, same thing on your phone. Now, to leave your own Discord, if you want to keep it running, so if you have a big community, you want to keep the Discord running, but you don't want to be in it yourself anymore, you'll have to transfer the ownership. So to do that, you want to click on your own server, right click on it, and then go to server settings. Now look for the members right here. And now look for anyone you want to transfer the ownership to. Click on these three buttons right here, these more options. And now you can transfer the ownership. So you hit transfer ownership, then you click on OK, and then this person will be the owner of that community now, of that Discord server. They can run everything, they'll have the ownership rights, and then you can leave the server like with any other server. Right click and then scroll down and you'll see the leave button, and you can leave that way. Now if you want to delete your whole Discord, maybe it's a smaller community, maybe you want to start a new one, maybe something else happened, then how to do that? Go onto the server. Go onto the server settings. So just click on this top bar here or right click on that and then go to server settings. And now scroll all the way down in the server settings, and then you'll see here delete server. You'll have to hit that, delete server, and then you'll have to say okay that it really gets deleted, and then boom, your Discord is completely gone, won't show up here, all the members will not see it anymore, and then that's how you delete your own Discord. But you can also just transfer the ownership. I hope this helped you out. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe if it did, and comment down below if you have any more questions.